to my channel, and for today's video I'll be cleaning out my vanity, deep cleaning it, reorganizing everything because it is a little bit crazy, messy, so let's get straight to the video. So this is literally everything. Here, all of this is going to be clean, so this is going to be interesting. Alright, so now that I cleaned it out, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so this is the cleanest I can get it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of my products and stuff and throw out these little containers because these are like my iPhone cases, the boxes that I use, and this one was like a very old one. So those are gonna go away. I purchased some new ones, which I'll show you guys in a bit after I clean everything out. So yeah. Alright, so now that I clean mostly all my containers, I'm just gonna like try to like see what I like when I organize everything on here. Alright, I do have these acrylic trays that I just recently purchased just to organize more of my stuff. And I also purchased these acrylic little dividers for like my blush and bronzer and highlights. So that's gonna be interesting. Alright, now the fun part is just decluttering everything that is up here, putting them in my makeup drawers that is over there. I'll go ahead and just move everything.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I do upload. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram where I'm more active on there. I'll see you guys in my next video.